Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number. Visit our website for more horoscope updates, link is given on video description. Thanks for watching my videos. Even if you're not big into astrology, horoscopes, and zodiac signs, you've probably at some point peeked to see what your horoscope predicts. There's just something so alluring about the magical world of astrology. Where did the astrology and the zodiac signs come from anyway? The history of astrology actually goes way back, almost 2,000 years. Its beginnings were a little bit different than what we think of as astrology today. The Babylonians invented astrology as a way to predict seasons and other celestial events to help plan out their farming schedules. From there, astrology spread quickly from the Babylonians to the Greeks to the Romans to the Arabs and so on until it was a worldwide phenomenon. Eventually astrology was associated with kings and royalty, as a way to give them counsel in their decision-making. In a time of uncertainty, imagine a world with no weather channel. Astrology brought a sense of comfort. Who knew all the answers lie in the stars? The zodiac signs themselves can be attributed to ancient Egypt. Each of the 12 constellations observed during the 12 lunar cycles were then assigned to animals or people. All 12 of the zodiac signs are split into 4 groups. Fire signs: Aries, Sagittarius, Leo. Water signs: Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Air signs: Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. Earth signs: Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. How are horoscopes predicted? Is there a science to it? Is there just some writer in a coffee shop predicting my future? Perhaps. But a true, fully trained astrologer has the ability to construct a horoscope chart based on a whole slew of things. They would chart the positions of the sun, moon, planets, and stars. They even can factor in the date, time, and location of your birth. While this used to take hours and hours, it can now be quickly completed by the magic of modern technology. If done correctly, these charts can reveal personality traits and trends. How cool is that? Source: https://www.astrologers.com/about/history. But is it all real? Nobody has a real answer to this, but astrology has stuck around in our society longer than almost anything else. Especially lately, horoscopes and zodiac signs have become a huge trend. Just as it did back when it was invented, horoscopes and astrology bring us a sense of comfort to know a little something about our futures. And they're just plain fun. The zodiac signs: each sign has unique traits and characteristics associated with them. We were inspired to create a line of zodiac locket necklaces to celebrate each of the star signs. In case you aren't familiar, here's a look at what makes up each of the star signs. Aquarius. This air zodiac sign belongs to those born between January 20th and February 18th. Traits: shy and quiet or eccentric and energetic, but always intellectual beings able to solve problems without prejudice. Loves being with a large group of people, but needs some time alone to recharge. Not the best at expressing emotions and can come off as distant. Needs to be mentally stimulated. Some famous people born under the sign of Aquarius are Ellen DeGeneres, Ed Sheeran, John Travolta, Jennifer Aniston, Bob Marley, Mozart, Abraham Lincoln, and Thomas Edison. To see more, click here. An Aquarius would keep a photo of someone they trust deeply in their Aquarius zodiac locket necklace. An Aquarius often comes off as cold, but once they get to know someone and open up, they begin to express their emotions. To learn more about this sign and read the most current horoscope for Aquarius, visit here: https://www.astrology-zodiac-signs.com/zodiac-signs/Aquarius/. Pisces. This water zodiac sign is born between February 19th to March 20th. Traits: extremely friendly, compassionate, and selfless, making for very good friends. Artistically talented, especially in the realm of music. Most tolerant zodiac sign. Dislikes being criticized. Romantic soul, loves to escape reality. Some famous people born under the sign of Pisces are Albert Einstein, George Washington, Elizabeth Taylor, Drew Barrymore, Bruce Willis, John Bon Jovi, and Liza Minnelli. To see more, click here. A Pisces would keep a photo of a creative inspiration or one of their many good friends inside their Pisces zodiac locket necklace. As they are a very empathetic, selfless people, a Pisces will have plenty of good friends to choose from to carry in their photo locket. To learn more about this sign and read the most current horoscope for Pisces, visit here, https://www.astrology-zodiac-signs.com/zodiac-signs/Pisces/. Aries. This fire zodiac sign is born between March 21st and April 19th. Traits: energetic, dynamic, and competitive, highly organized and excels at multitasking, strong personality that can be impatient and moody, makes for a passionate, determined leader, brave and not afraid to take a risk. Some famous people born under the sign of Aries are Celine Dion, Marlon Brando, Leonardo da Vinci, Emma Watson, Elton John, Vincent van Gogh, and Thomas Jefferson. To see more, click here. An Aries would keep a photo of a teammate or someone who helps them achieve their goals in their Aries zodiac locket necklace. This overachieving, competitive, and goal-oriented sign will gladly honor someone who helps them win or achieve their goals. To learn more about this sign and read the most current horoscope for Aries, visit here, https://www.astrology-zodiac-signs.com/zodiac-signs/Aries/. Taurus. This earth zodiac sign is born between April 20th and May 20th. Traits: grounded, sensible, and reliable, committed to their goals, or just very stubborn. Overprotective and loyal towards their friends, prefers tactile hobbies such as gardening or cooking, doesn't like any sudden changes or feeling insecure. Some famous people born under the sign of Taurus are Audrey Hepburn, William Shakespeare, Ella Fitzgerald, Stevie Wonder, Queen Elizabeth, George Clooney, and Fred Astaire. To see more, click here. A Taurus would keep a photo of someone who has stuck by their side through thick and thin in their Taurus zodiac locket necklace. This uncompromising, devoted sign revels committing to something, no matter how long it may take. To learn more about this sign or read the most current horoscope for Taurus, visit here, https://www.astrology-zodiac-signs.com/zodiac-signs/Taurus/. Gemini. This air zodiac sign is born between May 21st and June 20th. Traits: two sides to their personality, the life of the party or serious and deep in thought, excellent writers and voracious readers, a desire to explore the world and have new experiences, hates feeling confined or restricted, indecisive and inconsistent. Some famous people born under the sign of Gemini are Angelina Jolie, Morgan Freeman, Paul McCartney, John F. Kennedy, Judy Garland, Venus Williams, and Anderson Cooper. To see more, click here. A Gemini would keep a photo of their other half in their Gemini zodiac locket necklace. Geminis are characterized by having two sides and will spend as much time as it takes to find their perfect partner in crime. To learn more about this sign or read the most current horoscope for Gemini, visit here, https://www.astrology-zodiac-signs.com/zodiac-signs/Gemini/. Cancer. This water sign is born between June 21st and July 22nd. Traits: emotional, sensitive, and sentimental, the heart rules with this sign. Loyal and very empathetic, making for great friends once you get to know them. Avoids conflict and confrontation, most relaxed in or near water, not aware of their strength, which means they sometimes take on more than they should. Some famous people born under the sign of Cancer are Meryl Streep, Tom Hanks, Prince William, Patrick Stewart, Helen Keller, Michael Phelps, Julius Caesar, and Frida Kahlo. To see more, click here. A Cancer would keep a photo of someone they feel deeply emotionally connected to in their Cancer zodiac locket necklace. Cancers are often very attached to friends, family, and loved ones. To learn more about this sign or read the most current horoscope for Cancer, visit here, https://www.astrology-zodiac-signs.com/zodiac-signs/Cancer/. Leo. This fire zodiac sign is born between July 23rd and August 22nd. Traits: self-confident, motivated, and goal-oriented, making for excellent leaders. Wonderful sense of humor, resourceful and great at creatively solving problems, proud of their achievements but sometimes neglect other facets of life. The king of the jungle, and loves to be treated as such. Some famous people born under the sign of Leo are Whitney Houston, J.K. Rowling, Steve Carell, Amelia Earhart, Steve Martin, and Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis. To see more, click here. A Leo would keep a photo of a memory they are proud of in their Leo zodiac locket necklace. Whether it's a photo they took that they are especially proud of or a photo commemorating one of their achievements, a Leo will be filled with pride each time they slide open their photo locket. To learn more about this sign and read the most current horoscope for Leo, visit here https://www.astrology-zodiac-signs.com/zodiac-signs/Leo/. Virgo. This earth sign is born between August 23 to September 22. Traits: great attention to detail, neat freak, hates to ask for help, works hard to achieve well-defined goals, animal lover. Some famous people born under the sign of Virgo are Jada Pinkett Smith, Michael Jackson, Bill Murray, Tim Burton, Cameron Diaz, and Chris Pine. To see more, click here. A Virgo would keep a photo of a beloved pet inside their Virgo zodiac locket necklace. While a Virgo works hard and keeps an eye on the prize, they love to relax by spending time with a pet. Each time they open their locket, they'll be reminded that their pet's love is close. To learn more about this sign and read the most current horoscope for Virgo, visit here https://www.astrology-zodiac-signs.com/zodiac-signs/Virgo/. Libra. This air sign is born between September 23 and October 22. Traits: diplomatic and gracious, needs a harmonious, well-balanced environment in order to avoid an unbalanced environment. They will avoid conflict at all costs. Intellectual being who loves a good book and good conversation, loves to surround themselves with beautiful things. Some famous people born under the sign of Libra are Kate Winslet, Serena Williams, Susan Sarandon, Hugh Jackman, and Matt Damon. To see more, click here. A Libra would keep a photo of someone who challenges them intellectually in their Libra zodiac locket necklace. A Libra cherishes any relationship with a person who they can stay up late contemplating the ways of the world with. To learn more about this sign and read the most current horoscope for Libra, visit here https://www.astrology-zodiac-signs.com/zodiac-signs/Libra/. Scorpio. This water sign is born between October 23 and November 21. Traits: passionate with a fiery spirit, wears their heart on their sleeve, great secret keeper, holds on to friendships for a long time, hates dishonesty. Some famous people born under the sign of Scorpio are Leonardo DiCaprio, Anne Hathaway, Pablo Picasso, Bill Gates, Ryan Gosling, Julia Roberts, Grace Kelly, and Claude Monet. To see more, click here. A Scorpio would keep a photo of their longtime best friend in their Scorpio zodiac locket necklace. A Scorpio is the type to have best friends that they've known their entire life. To learn more about this sign and read the most current horoscope for Scorpio, visit here https://www.astrology-zodiac-signs.com/zodiac-signs/Scorpio/. Sagittarius. This fire sign is born between November 22 and December 21. Traits: extreme curiosity, loves to travel and hates to feel constrained, extroverted personality, unbridled enthusiasm, ability to make their dreams a reality. Some famous people born under the sign of Sagittarius are Jake Gyllenhaal, Taylor Swift, Samuel L. Jackson, Brad Pitt, Steven Spielberg, Winston Churchill, and Jane Fonda. To see more, click here. A Sagittarius would keep a photo from their many travels in their Sagittarius zodiac locket necklace. A Sagittarius loves more than anything having the freedom to travel the world and experience new things. To learn more about this sign and read the most current horoscope for Sagittarius, visit here https://www.astrology-zodiac-signs.com/zodiac-signs/Sagittarius/. Capricorn. This earth sign is born between December 22 and January 19. Traits: disciplined with excellent self-control, making for good leaders, family first, can be stubborn, highly responsible, serious personality. Some famous people born under the sign of Capricorn are Martin Luther King Jr., Isaac Newton, Bradley Cooper, Patrick Dempsey, Diane Keaton, Ryan Seacrest, and John Denver. To see more, click here. A Capricorn would keep a photo of their family in their Capricorn zodiac locket necklace. Capricorns are very family-centric and would love to keep the love of their family close in their photo locket. To learn more about this sign and read the most current horoscope for Capricorn, visit here https://www.astrology-zodiac-signs.com/zodiac-signs/Capricorn/.